International Mother's Day and Nurses Day celebration at the prestigious Sagar Chandrama Hospital in Bengaluru. Sagar Chandrama Hospital, one of the prestigious hospitals in Bengaluru, celebrated International Mother's Day and Nurses Day. Sagar Chandrama Hospital is one of the top hospitals in Bengaluru for women and children care and is known for good treatment with experienced medical staff. Experienced nurses make mothers and babies feel at home. The hospital premises were mesmerized by the presence of mothers with their little ones. The program started with the song of Ganesha, followed by the lighting of Jyoti. The mothers who arrived here shared their impressions about Sagar Chandrama Hospital and the staff. Hospital staff and doctors spoke about the importance of Mother's Day.
Namaskaram, I am Dr. Shilpi Reddy from Sagar Chandrama Hospital, Bangalore. Today is a very special occasion. We are celebrating Mother's Day and also International Nurses Day. There are a lot of pregnant, post-delivered mothers out there and children enjoying the event. This is in view of how motherhood can change the world, because the entire world is now only because of a mother. Every reproduction is in charge, the in charge is mother. And with the great sacrifices of so many women out there with their life and to enjoy motherhood, there is life going on. And today, International Nurses Day is also there. I am a guest here and we have to celebrate both of them, because as a mother, we sacrifice so many things for our children and family. But safe motherhood is very, very important, and safe motherhood comes with healthy mother. So we should never ever forget the health of the mother. Today, health of the mother is very important, and we are dealing with so many stressful situations and so many pandemics around. But mother's health is always there when you try for normal delivery. At Sagar Chandrama Hospitals, we are striving hard to improvise mother's health and to improvise how to have normal deliveries and increase normal delivery rate, because blood loss is less, mother's health is important, and immediately getting back to normal is also very good. Children born out of normal delivery have lots of immunity and bonding. We also have to encourage breastfeeding post-delivery. So these are some very core concepts that we have been encouraging long time, and also in this Mother's Day we wanted to emphasize and talk to women out there who are giving their own choices to become a mother. And influencing women is very, very important in the right direction. There are so many things that have bad influences on our lifestyle, but good is always the truth and always the best thing that will give you better outcomes. And in this journey of a mother, there are our nurses who are striving 24/7, giving medical services, sacrificing their own lives. So this is another day, an opportunity to celebrate both Mother's Day and also International Nurses Day. There is a moment of festivity in the hospital, and I am proud to be a part of it. So thank you all so much, and thank you.
My name is Paniel. I am the manager for the fertility services at Sagar Chandrama Hospital, and we are celebrating International Mother's Day today at our hospital. Today, that is May 12th, Sunday, at Sagar Chandrama Hospital. Thank you.
ನಾಗವೇಣಿ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿದು ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೂಪರ್ಡೆಂಟೆಂಟ್, ಸಾಗರ್ ಚಂದ್ರಮ್ಮ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ದು ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೂಪರ್ಡೆಂಟೆಂಟು. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತು ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಮದರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನರ್ಸಸ್ ಡೇನು. ಸೊ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಮೇ 12th ನರ್ಸಸ್ ಡೇನು ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ನರ್ಸಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಮದರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನರ್ಸಸ್ಸು ಫಸ್ಟು ಡೆಲಿವರಿ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟು ನರ್ಸಸ್ಸೇ ಮಗುನ ನೋಡೋದು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನನಗೆ 35 ವರ್ಷ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಆ ಥರದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡುವಾಗ ಮದರ್ಗಿಂತಲೂ ಮೇಲೆ ಫಸ್ಟು ಅವರು ಮಗುನ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಮಗು ನೋಡೋದು ಫಸ್ಟು ನರ್ಸಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ನರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಸೂಪರ್ಡೆಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು 20 ಇಯರ್ಸಿಂದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನನಗೆ
ತಾಯಂದಿರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ತಾಯಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾದ ದಿನ ತಾಯಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅತ್ಯುನ್ನತವಾದ ಒಂದು ಶಬ್ದ. ತಾಯಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ನಾವು ತಾಯಂದಿರ ದಿನ ಆಚರಿಸಿರೋ ರೀಸನ್, ತುಂಬ ಜನ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, ತಾಯಿ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಮಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ತುಂಬ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೂಲಕನೇ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಇದಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಮತ್ತು ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರನೂ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
I am Rachna Pavan Kumar. This is my daughter Yukta and this is my husband Pavan. Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful women. Happy Mother's Day to all the beautiful women. And we thank Sagar Chandrama Hospital for bringing all the mothers back to the birthplace of our cute children. It is a wonderful experience here.